Trigger.dev versus Inngest, which workflow platform is better? Choosing the right workflow platform can transform how you automate tasks without complex setups. Both Trigger.dev and Inngest offer powerful tools but serve different needs and approaches. Trigger.dev and Inngest are modern workflow platforms designed to automate back-end processes. The core difference lies in Trigger.dev's focus on developer-friendly, event-driven workflows with deep integrations, while Inngest emphasizes simplicity and rapid event orchestration with minimal configuration. Trigger.dev is a developer-centric workflow platform built for event-driven automation. It allows developers to connect APIs, cloud functions, and services through code, using familiar languages and frameworks. Workflows run reliably with automatic retries, error handling, and monitoring built in. Its strength lies in supporting complex workflows that require granular control and observability. Trigger.dev integrates with popular tools and cloud providers, making it ideal for teams needing custom logic and scalability. However, this power comes with a steeper learning curve and requires developer expertise to set up and maintain. It's best suited for engineering teams looking for robust, programmable workflows that can handle intricate event patterns and long-running processes without sacrificing reliability. Inngest is a workflow platform designed to simplify event orchestration, with a focus on ease of use and quick deployment. It provides a straightforward interface to define event-driven workflows that respond to triggers across various services. Inngest's approach minimizes configuration overhead, enabling faster setup and iteration. It supports essential features like retries and error tracking, but emphasizes developer productivity through simplicity. While it may not offer the same depth of customization as Trigger.dev, Inngest excels at handling common automation use cases with less complexity. This makes it ideal for startups and teams that want reliable event workflows without investing heavily in infrastructure or learning complex tooling. Inngest is well-suited for those prioritizing speed and simplicity in their workflow automation. Trigger.dev and Inngest both automate event-driven workflows, but cater to different priorities. Trigger.dev is a powerhouse for developers needing detailed control, complex workflows, and integration depth. It shines in scenarios requiring custom error handling, monitoring, and scalability. Inngest, by contrast, streamlines workflow creation with minimal setup, making it perfect for teams that want fast deployment and ease of use. For example, a large engineering team building intricate backend processes benefits from Trigger.dev's flexibility, while a startup looking to automate notifications and simple tasks quickly may prefer Inngest. The trade-off is between customization and simplicity. Trigger.dev demands more developer resources but offers greater control, whereas Inngest sacrifices some customization for speed and ease. Choose Trigger.dev if you need advanced control, reliability, and developer-friendly customization for complex, large-scale, event-driven workflows. Inngest is the better choice for teams seeking straightforward, quick-to-launch workflows with minimal complexity. Both platforms excel in their areas, so select based on your project's scale and technical needs to optimize automation success.